All right, welcome back to Math is Easy, Step by Step. And this is part 2 of a video answering the question, which of these numbers, excuse me, is closest to the value of the expression 1/6 plus 2/5? So this was our question on the other page, 1/6 plus 2/5 equals 0.56. I went over how we got to this value of 56 hundredths. So which one is closer, A, B, C, or D? And if you recall, every fraction is a division problem. And we came up with some decimal values. So I'm using these decimal values like money or cents. So which one is 56 cents closest to? Is it closest to A, 40 cents? Well, that's about 16 cents difference. Okay, let's take a look at B and round that up to 43 cents. Well, that's about 13 cents difference between the two values. Let's look at C. We have 56 cents, 60 cents. 56 is about 4 cents or 4 pennies away from 60 cents. So that's pretty darn close. D, we round that up to 63 cents. And 63 from 16 would be 7 cents difference, I believe. And 56 cents from 67 cents would be 11 cents. And so you can see I'd rather owe 4 pennies than any other value A through E. My answer is going to be C. So if you had a hard time seeing that the answer was C, I'd like to show you a number line that I had created above. So please be patient with me here. It's not drawn to scale. This is just the best of my abilities that I could do creating these problems here from home. And so I wanted you to see how I created a scalar number line that goes from 0 to 1/10. And each of these values represents a tenth of a 0.1 value, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and we'll say 0.10 a tenth. So I know I'm not saying that correctly, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to share with you. And I'm placing these values of A through E. And if you can see, again, the number line is not drawn to scale. I just use this to give you a visual representation. A is represented by 0.40. It's right on 0.4. B, 0.429 or 0.43, you could round that up, is right here. It's just a little over 0.4 and under a little less than half of up to 0.5. C is 0.6, we can see here. We have D at 0.625, that's just a little to the right of a value of 0.6. And then E 0.67, you can see here, is just under 0.7. So our value of 0.56, or what I'm calling 56 cents, would be almost right in between, right in the middle of 0.5, 50 cents, and 0.6 or 60 cents. So you can see here 0.56 will be closest to 0.60. That answer would be C. Pardon my my language. I know I kind of messed up these values here. Maybe these should have been 0.01, 0.02, but I wanted to give you a visual on how to see how you can find 0.56 or 56 cents is closest to 60 cents. That answer would be C. So I'm hoping this helped you out. Hey, math is easy. Take it step by step. Sometimes my tongue gets in the way of my mouth and I have a hard time talking. In this case, it was my brain getting in the way of my tongue. But that's what you can do for these type of problems. Convert the fractions into decimals, right? Converting the fractions into decimals and then comparing decimals as if they are money to see which value is the closest. Thank you again for joining me. Math is easy, step by step. If I've helped you, please help me to continue to come to you by your donations, your gifts, your stars. Thank you so very much.